But what happened was what I really got out of that school was process. I got really, because in art school you're given a project to do and you've got like 2 weeks or 3 weeks to do it, and so you just bust it out and do something really you can put together in 3 weeks, and then you photograph it and you get feedback, you show it to everybody, then you throw it away. And so I got really comfortable with making 20 things and throwing them away and not worrying about the result.
Before you were a perfectionist?
Yeah, before I was like, I want to make a perfect thing. So there's a story that relates to this. It's a ceramic story. This was like a real study. 2 groups of 15 people each who were ceramicists were told 2 different tasks. One task for one group was, we want you to make the perfect vase. And the other group was told, we want you to make as many vases as you can in 2 weeks. They each had 2 weeks. And of course the absolute best vases came out of the group that made as many as they could. The ones that tried to make a perfect vase, they weren't that good.
It's the brainstorming process. So when I was in school for filmmaking, they said, I want you to make come up with 20 ideas a day for commercials. And then the next day do another 20, then the next day do another 20. And they could be the crappiest stuff. And out of the crappiest ideas, came the best ideas that I would use, that I would just work and work and go, oh, this is really good. There's gold in this, you know?
Yeah.